So my name is Stephanie, and today I'll be presenting my project titled Vending Machine Sales. Meet Tom. He graduated as a data analyst and was excited to use his new skills. However, his company had no openings for a data analyst, so he remained stuck at his data entry job. One day, during a meeting with the senior bosses, they looked visibly worried as the company's biggest investor, a vending machine sales company, had given them a timeline to analyze their data and provide a solution. Tom saw this as an opportunity to showcase his analytical skills. So Tom approached his boss and said to him, "Sir, if I can solve this, will I get my promotion?" His boss responded, "Son, if you can save us, then yes." Tom diligently gathered his materials and got to work. He researched the history of vending machines and realized that the first vending machine dispensed holy water. And in the 1880s, the first modern vending machine dispensed stamps. He also analyzed the market data, including information from the National Automatic Merchandising Association, also known as NAMA. He created a dashboard with KPIs and charts to present his findings. He used information such as sales per month to see the monthly sales and sales per location to find out what areas were selling out or had the highest sales. He also focused on 4 sites in central New Jersey, namely Gutton Plains, EB Public Library, Brunswick Square Mall, and Earl Asphalt. He also had categories such as sales per category to see what items were selling out faster than the others, sales by product to know what products were actually selling out fast. Now, during his presentation, Tom highlighted several insights. After carefully analyzing the data, he realized that the location, Gutton Plains, increased sales to 49% in July compared to June. Now, how does he know that this is good? This is because the same location in May and June had a decline in sales of an average of 4%. This was a positive insight. Now, he also noticed some negative insights, because the data actually show that sales of carbonated drinks declined by 28.34% in May compared to April. Now, you probably ask how he ascertained that this was bad. Well, this is because the same carbonated drink from the months of February through April increased by an average of 19% per month. So Tom had a few suggestions. Since the data says EB Public Library had more sales as such, Tom suggested using prominent sites with high foot traffic to boost sales further. That was the first suggestion. Second, the data also noted that carbonated drinks outstripped non-carbonated drinks by 43%. So Tom's recommendation was more machines with carbonated drinks be placed in various locations, as customers prefer this to water. Number 3 recommendation. He noticed that from the data, sales consistently increased from February through April before nosediving. So his recommendation is new technologies like additional cashless machines should be added to boost sales. And his last recommendation, that since sales dipped by 8.05% in August, Tom recommended raising awareness of the numerous machines available in the community to prevent a similar decline in the future. So Tom's insightful analysis, impressed the senior bosses, and he knew that he had earned his promotion. His hard work and data-driven recommendations saved the day for the company and earned him the recognition he deserved. Thank you.